Yo, 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 yo! Hey, Fat Boy Certified Pino here, Pinosmedia. I know good and well y'all tired of watching these long, boring recipe jones. I got a recipe jone for you. Chicken Cajun wrap. You can make it for your lunch. You can make it for your dinner. You can just make it for a snack. If you're Fat Boy Certified, it might be just a snack. Hey, Pinosmedia, baby. Let's get this video started. Wash your hands and cook with love. It's your boy Pino. Cue the music. Alright, you guys know that this is not a teach you how to cook video. This is to inspire you to keep cooking. Alright, so our 2 chicken breasts, after we washed our hands, wash the chicken and throw them in the pan. It is 2 tablespoons of butter right there in the pan. It's being cooked on low. I don't cook on high because I don't want this chicken to dry that fast while I'm getting it together. Alright, so let's go ahead and show that seasoning. Oh my goodness, that looks good. Now, with the seasoning, I did the first layer of Cajun seasoning all the way through that chicken. Second layer was the cayenne pepper. And then a third layer of Cajun seasoning again. And then we're gonna bless it with the paprika. You know, now don't be shy to cover the whole chicken. We're gonna do this on this side, and then we're gonna flip it momentarily when it's ready and do it again. All right, it's flipped. This is what it should look like so far, okay? Halfway through, we got our chicken looking nice. It's feeling firm, and we want to do the seasoning just the way we just previously did it again, but on this side as we flip the chicken, all right? Now, chicken is done, all right? Fast forward. Again, we're not showing you how to cook, we're just inspiring you. So this is what it looks like when it's all said and done and it's cooked all the way through. Chop that bad boy up and get ready to throw it in a wrap. Your wrap should be looking like this. Oh my goodness. Like, subscribe, and share. Fat Boy Certified. Pino.